The winner is, for Best Actress,
Judy Ann Santos.
My director, Murat Shatek Chitoronio, Chris Martinez, Attorney Joji, thank you for the trust. Hindi ko magagawa itong trabaho ko. Sandali na babado. Malaking pera na sayang naman ang gown ko. May bewang ako ngayon pagbigyan nyo na. Of course, to my nanay LT, Tita Chanda, sa aking anak dito, si Kian, this wouldn't be possible if it weren't for your great support. Acting in my life, my rock, my husband Ryan, to my 3 beautiful babies, Johan, Lucha, and Luna, to my mom, my brother, and my sister, and to dear Lord, thank you po.